How many members in your family?
Five members in my family.
Which one do you like most?
I like my father
Why do you like your father most?
because my father is very caring for me. That is the reason.
Which movie have you watched?
I watched DJ the last movie.
I have also watched that movie. That is very nice, and there's a hero was Allu Arjun, right? So, which type of places do you like to visit?
Like most their nature. Nature was good. That places I like.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend in my school and his name was Bes.
Why is he your best friend?
He support me for any time, any difficulty.
Do you like to read?
I like social science.
Social science, which is your favorite? Social science have three parts: history, civics, and geography.
My favorite part is history because in history I don't know what about in history, so I like history mostly because I want to know what happened in past. How many members in your family?
In my family, we all are four members: my mother, father, and my youngest sister.
People do you most like in your family?
Like most in my family is my mother because she is so caring and very good person. I love her, and that's the reason.
Which type of books do you like?
I like mysterious book
Why do you like mysterious book?
because it is so interesting, and we don't know what happened in next moment. That's why I like most the mysterious book.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Avengers Endgame.
Do you like South Indian movies?
Yes, I like South movies
Which type of places do you like in Chhattisgarh?
like hilly areas and riverside places I like most.
Which festival do you like most?
I like Diwali most because in Diwali we burn firecrackers and we enjoy a lot.